Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dynamic caching on siteground. I just tap on a Safari browser, and if I create the account, and if you want to buy the premium or subscription of siteground, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. And how to enable the dynamic cache. So the dynamic cache is enabled by default on a server level, and WordPress websites usually take advantage of it out of the box. However, for more advanced management of the caching options of your WordPress website, we highly recommended that you also install our speed optimizer plugin into your SiteGround website. So the next procedure is to how to manually flush the dynamic cache. If you want to flush your dynamic cache manually, please log into site tools and navigate to speed caching dynamic cache. On that page you will locate the flush cache button in the right part of the screen, and you will just tap on it and the cache will flush out clearly. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.